Hi there, you're looking at my Makita cordless garden leaf blower, and this leaf blower, just to give you an idea of the size of it, it's about 90 centimeters long, which is about 3 feet or 36 inches. It's got two speeds, a high and a low, and then the off button is located right underneath it in a convenient location. It runs on two rechargeable Makita batteries. They're Makita 18 volt lithium ion batteries, and they're the same batteries that are used in all of the rechargeable Makita tools. And there's a second battery, slips out and slips back in quite easily. Two 18 volt batteries gives you 36 volts of power. And this one is a Makita DUB361 garden leaf blower, and it's Makita Corporation. It's made in Japan, and it's quite a good quality one. I've really enjoyed using that. It's nice and sort of lightweight and easy to use. It probably doesn't push out as much air as, say, a petrol one or a corded electric one, but for convenience you can't go past it. You just pick it up, press your button on, and start blowing the leaves away, and switch it off and put it away. It's that easy. Great for a small space. Okay, so I'll leave you with a clip of me using this Makita garden leaf blower to blow away some leaves.